What's going on, y'all? I'm currently at the airport waiting to board my plane. I got my hair done. I did this myself. But I'm just waiting to board my flight. I have 2 hours left. I should have just got a later flight, but I didn't. So yeah, I'm just stuck at the airport right now. I want to walk around and explore, but I kind of don't know where I want to go. All the restaurants are on this floor that I'm currently at right now. So I already ate, and now I'm just chilling in this open area. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can hear me. It's a restaurant right here. This airport is really kind of big. I'm in Miami right now. I'm in Miami, bitches. And yeah, I will check back in with y'all whenever I get to the room. We made it to the room, checked in. This is what it's looking like. Let me go to the light. Here it is. The shower cup. And then here. This is popping. Okay. No fucking cap. The bees is popping. Yes, I love it. City. So I have never been in Miami. First experience, and it's pretty dope. Like, it's pretty dope. I like the city vibes. I love it. I love it. I'm about to change, get cute. See, braid is popping. Let me show y'all the braid. I don't think y'all seen the braid. Y'all ain't seen the inches. Okay. What's up, y'all? So this is day 2. You scared me. This is day 2 out here. And right now I'm just at the pool, you know, with the vibes and everything. Just, you know, living. I think today we're gonna go, I'm not sure where we're gonna go, but we're gonna leave. We're getting ready to walk out, you know, walk the strip and everything. But yeah, we're in the city, but it's still like a beach vibe. It's so dope. Like, I love it. Like, look at the pool. Look at all this. Like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get some flicks. You already know what's going on. I'm gonna get flicks, period. But I love it. This is my first time in Miami, y'all. I have never been to Miami, and this is dope. Like, so fucking dope. Sorry I'm dropping F-bombs, but I'm so happy to be able to experience life and travel and all this. Like, this is such a blessing. Like, during the whole pandemic and everything, I didn't even know like what I was gonna do, but the fact that I'm able to travel and, you know, live my life and, you know, just, it's crazy. Like, words cannot explain. I'm blessed beyond measures, you guys. Blessed beyond measures. Tomorrow, a rental tomorrow, so look out for that. I'm not gonna spill the tea on what kind of car we're getting, but yeah, I just know it's gonna be a lit car. I'm about to go to CVS right now to get me some lashes because I forgot my lashes at home. I always forget that one thing. And yeah, like, it's dope. I love it. Love it, I love it. I'll show y'all the views. It's the pool. Low-key hungry. I haven't ate breakfast yet. I think it's 10 a.m. right now, 10 or 11 a.m. Yeah, we're just, you know, getting our day started, and this is the perfect way to start my day. This is my outfit. Cute little Fashion Nova. Fiji water. Hydrate yourself because it gets hot out here. And yeah, I'm gonna catch up with y'all later. This is so pretty. What is up, y'all? This is day 3. I'm stupid. This is day 3. Yeah, just chilling at the pool right now. Just took some cute flicks. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Sierra Shardae, CIERREASHARDAE, so you can keep up with me and everything like that. Do not forget to follow me. These shades, like I bought lashes yesterday and I had them on yesterday, but I don't think I want to put them on today. Natural. This is my bathing suit. And yeah, I have my off-white slides. I have those. I don't know if y'all see those. I have those down there. And then I have my shorts for my cover up. I keep having nip slips. I keep having to put my shit down. And I got tan lines already. My tan lines. It's getting kind of crazy. So I had to get out of the sun. But yeah, I love sitting in the sun and everything. Get some good vitamin D. So remember how I told y'all that I wasn't gonna put on makeup or lashes? Oh, they came out. I had to. Let me show y'all the OOTD. As you can see, family, go bless us right now. You know, patience pays. Literally, you know, you see the entry. You see what I told you earlier about Bloomberg. I told you Bloomberg keep me updated, right? They keep me updated. They keep me real up. Check out the views. We literally up. So I told y'all we was gonna get a whip, and it's a drop top. What you mean? Like, what else? So right now, lambs, okay, and the 2 Rolls Royces. All right, okay.
I'm in this fan, I'm screaming free me. When the views diamonds from the CZs, have my SG dropping 60. How I pull up on me, boy, miss me.
Hey y'all, so we made it back to the airport. Show y'all the airport. Leave. I'm hungry. We were supposed to get food before we got on the plane, but now we got to get food now. So it's lit. We got a night flight, so it's currently nighttime. Be careful. It's like this caution tape right here. Yo, who would have known that it's raining? It wasn't even raining on the flight. Look at this. Oh, that's us. Come on. You got it? Okay. Now I can finally breathe after 2 hours of this fucking shit on my face. Miami was lit. I'm definitely going back. Like I said, I told y'all on the last vlog that I was gonna go. We came in an elevator. Terminal. So we could walk straight in. One girl, 2. I'm weak. Look at the elevator down here.
We ain't never been on the elevator now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
The hell we parked so far up. How do we get down?
We didn't park up. We parked down, all the way down at the end.
We're not on level 1 though. Oh, cause I took a picture looking down at the gate.
The elevator's in here, not that elevator.
Yeah. I look sweaty from when I was walking. Cause yo, the Miami heat is different. Like it's like humid heat. It's unbearable almost.
The premiere where I wanted to park it. Instead of parking a little bit easier. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Y'all, I felt so rich down there because every corner I turned, it was a G-Wagon. It was a Range Rover. It was that, you know, you don't normally see it where you come from. So that just tells me that it's not far from reach. If you want it, go get it, work for it, and it could be yours easily. Just as you see it like passing you down the street, it could be yours, no cap. Please. Set it off. Set your own. Always remember what number you park on so then you won't have to rely on somebody else and get mad at them. Driving in Florida. Stay. If you want a 2019 Mustang drop top 4, get you one because it's fire. The outside is nice, it's real fast, and drop top is perfect for beach weather. So if you stay in the beach, definitely get you a stay.
Make sure you take a trip to Miami. You don't go to Miami, you ain't living life. I definitely wasn't living life until I went to Miami. Boy, oh boy.
No cow, no curl. Oh God. I was gonna say.
Woo, there she goes.
See, I always wondered how you get a wheelchair, and it's basically for superior aircraft services people. So you have to request it, I guess. Carbon fiber.
Yeah, gang, quick.
Here at the gate. Oh, in the floor.
Yeah, we got back fast. He was like, we about to land. I'm like,
Yeah, they was flying. I'm like, bro. Y'all, let me tell y'all, these aircraftsmen be flying on them planes, okay? Aircraftsmen, them motherfuckers be out. The pilots be out, okay? So, I'm gonna check in with y'all. It's probably the longest I talked to y'all. I should have been talking to y'all more on the trip, but y'all, I was, all over the place. But yeah, see y'all in the next one. Bye.